The main challenge with poodle dogs is the need for regular grooming. However, this doesn't have to be a problem. Poodles are brilliant and devoted pets. While they tend to learn quickly, it's essential to make grooming feel ordinary and not unpleasant, especially for puppies. But how can you make this happen? Join us in today's video, where we present 10 grooming tips and tricks for poodles. Number 1. Go for knowledge. The safest approach to grooming any dog, especially those with specific hair types or styles, is to gather knowledge before attempting it yourself. Using grooming equipment without proper understanding can pose a risk of injury to pets due to sharp scissors and blades. Poodles, for example, usually have their faces and feet shaved closely, and edges can get hot, potentially causing burns if not handled correctly. There are multiple resources like videos and books that can increase your proficiency and teach you how to use the tools, handle the dog, and perform desired trims. It ensures a safe and skilled grooming process. While researching poodle grooming, one key thing that will stand out is the tools. Some tools are particular to dog grooming. Getting them will make your life easier. Number 2. Invest in quality grooming tools. Make sure you have the right grooming tools. Investing a bit more in decent quality equipment is a good idea. The curved slicker brush and the pin brush with a cushioned pad are essential tools. The curved slicker brush is essential for a thick, curly coat poodle. Its main job is to remove dirt, knots, and leftover hair stuck at the bottom of the skin. At the same time, the pin brush with a cushioned pad is helpful, particularly for pets with medium to long length fur. You can use it daily to remove larger pieces of dirt and hair caught in your dog's coat. It's perfect for cleaning up after outdoor playtime or giving your poodle's fur some attention at the end of the day. A two-sided steel comb is a must-have to speed up your grooming process. It comes in various shapes and sizes, with or without handles, two-sided or single spacing between the pins, and more. Poodle coats can easily get matted, a common issue with longer-furred pets. Matting can lead to discomfort as dogs tend to scratch and chew affected areas. To tackle this, a dematting comb is essential. You'll also need a few other tools, including scissors, clippers, and a dedicated dog grooming table. These items will help make the grooming process more efficient. Before we go over to our second tip, you must agree that dogs are part of the family, so they must be treated with utmost care and given similar attention to babies. Number 3. Take it slow and don't make it an unhappy time for the dog. It would be best if you began trimming your poodle's coat when they're around 5 to 6 months old, and starting as early as 2 to 3 months is even better to help them get accustomed to it, because it will be a routine. If you're not ready to trim their entire coat, focus on the more challenging areas like the face and feet. This early practice will benefit both you and your puppy. When you give your pup their first haircut, take it slow and try to make it an enjoyable experience. It will be an ongoing process, so it's crucial to ensure they have positive early experiences with grooming. To make the grooming experience positive, introduce your pup to the grooming equipment without cutting hair. Let the poodle get used to the sight and sound of the tools. While grooming your poodle, you may tend to get frustrated if you do not follow the proper procedures. Our next trick will help to save you from this world of hurt, as it will prevent tangles from getting caught in the clippers. Number 4. Ensure your dog's coat is clean and dry before trimming. It will help keep your poodle's coat healthy and looking good. It's essential to bathe them every 4 to 6 weeks. Use a mild, pH-balanced dog shampoo and rinse thoroughly to eliminate all soap residue. Then proceed to blow dry the poodle before trimming. It's the safest way to avoid uneven trims and eliminate painful snagging of the hair. Grooming is a continuous thing in the life of a poodle. Your goal should always be to make it a worthwhile experience. This leads us to the next trick. Number 5. Choose a well-lit and comfortable area where your pup can stand comfortably in your home. Using a raised surface like a table might make things easier, and placing something underneath your dog to catch loose hair will simplify cleanup. If your pup is restless, consider asking a family member for assistance. Once you establish a routine, keep it up for the best results. For our next tip, we must be careful when choosing a brush for the poodle. You don't want anything to upset it and make the process harder. So number 6, ensure the brush is okay on your skin. Select a brush that you've tested on your skin first. If it's uncomfortable for you, your dog won't like it either. Many professional dog groomers favor slicker brushes because, apart from eliminating knots, they enhance blood circulation, improving your dog's coat quality. While grooming the poodle at home, you must be true to yourself. Your skills cannot be the same as that of a professional overnight, so don't be too hard on yourself. Number 7. Remember, you don't need to be a pro. Chances are, no one but you will be looking at your dog up close, so don't aim for a professional clip and style. Instead, opt for more straightforward puppy clips and grooming that are easier to manage. There are various low-maintenance cuts to consider. These cuts are designed to keep your poodle looking great while reducing the time and effort needed for grooming. One example is the shortcut. It's a straightforward and practical low-maintenance poodle haircut that involves trimming the hair all over the body to a consistent length. This style is perfect for poodle owners who want a neat look without spending too much time on grooming. It's also a good choice for poodles that tend to develop mats or tangles. Number 8. Give the nails attention. Like any other type of dog, trimming the nails can be a bit tasking, mainly if the dog is not used to it. Nail care is crucial for poodles to prevent discomfort and pain. Trim your poodle's nails regularly using a sharp, heavy-duty nail clipper. While cutting, aim for the ideal length, which is right below the level of the paw pad. Trim them so that the nail tip is flush with the foot pad. It would help if you remain patient and gentle whilst at it. Also, ensure that your clippers are dog-friendly. To reduce the sensitivity of the poodle to being handled, you should start touching and holding the puppy's paws at an early age. Number 9. Always follow a pattern. Establishing a grooming routine is crucial in dog training. Avoid making grooming unpredictable, as this can lead to anxiety and stress for your furry friend. Create a grooming style and maintain consistency in your approach. How about giving the precious poodle a treat every time you go for grooming? It's one trick that always works. So number 10, use treats to make it a positive experience for your dog. When grooming is a positive experience, your dog will be less resistant and stressed. Reward your dog with small treats and praise for their excellent behavior during grooming sessions. It will help them link grooming with enjoyable moments. These steps will make grooming more enjoyable for your dog and associate it with good behavior. Consider offering a tasty dog seed chew bar after grooming sessions to help alleviate post-grooming anxiety. Poodles' hair sets them apart from other dog breeds. It means they don't shed and are considered hypoallergenic. However, it also means their owners must groom them more regularly than dogs with fur. If a poodle isn't groomed regularly, their hair will grow and become tangled. Poodle owners must maintain their dog's coats with short, curly styles to prevent matting. Which of these tips was most helpful to you? Let us know in the comments section below.